Good morning from one of my favorite parks, almost in my backyard. And the birds are happy out this morning, so I was out running here, thinking. I like running and thinking, or sometimes running and meditating on my breathing. So I was thinking about how there's a lot of advertising on this BDSM, Tantra, or Tantrakink, or there's probably other names, but it's like teaching workshops on how to do Tantra and BDSM together. So people go as couples, or they'll meet someone at the events and learn how to beat each other, or one person tie one person up for pleasure, sexual energy, or healing something by doing this BDSM. And I think it's like totally cool to do almost anything. And Tantra can be added to anything, but to like market something like BDSM, Tantra is just like, to me, just seems like you're trying to maybe sell Tantra to everyone, or just kind of like get people to workshops. And I just like talking with people that host these things or are kind of into them. They seem to like disconnect. Like there's not the connection with, or the union aspect of uniting with higher consciousness, or uniting with your partner that you get with Tantra. It's basically just a sexual or a healing workshop. So I don't really agree with calling it Tantra. And I know, like, my biggest issue is that people go to this thinking they're going to learn Tantra, and then they get disappointed that it wasn't what they expected, because they're looking to learn, deeper Tantra, or they get like totally into like the dark side of Tantra, doing like more dark magic, or deeper into the BDSM, and more into polyamory rather than connecting with their partner. And polyamory's totally cool as well. I have done that for many years myself. But I just think, like, if you're going to workshops, like, totally check them out. And even if you still want to go to like Tantrakink workshops, know what you're getting into, and that it's not going to be a spiritual experience that they advertise. So that's my thoughts for now, but I'm sure other people have a lot of other thoughts on this Tantra BDSM. But just know that there is real Tantra workshops or teachers out there that you can study with, and even go experience partner practices with if you look for them. And I've been looking for some of them to study deeper in the US myself, so I'll be doing more of that this fall and winter. But for the most part, I'm really happy with what I've learned from my India lineage, and staying true to that, and just practicing solo Tantra deeper. So enjoy your day.